If you want to be good in mathematics, not to forget to read all the formulae and all the examples which are given in your book. And after practicing all the identities on and all the questions, not to forget to revise as well. Hello intellectuals, I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. So welcome back to the second part of the identities based on multiple angle. So in this part, let's we do the seventh number of identity. So we have here tan theta equals to sin 2 theta over 1 plus cos 2 theta. We are going to prove it. So here we are going to choose right hand side, isn't it? So right hand side we have here sin 2 theta over 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? And sin 2 theta, you know it's a formula, right? We have here 2 sin theta dot cos theta and here 1 plus cos 2 theta. Yes, I have already explained many times in the previous questions, right? In the previous part. So if you haven't watched the previous part of this channel, of this identity, then please must watch so that you can understand all the solution very clearly. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, right? It's not to forget that here 1 plus cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a and 1 minus cos 2a equals to 2 sin square a. That's good. Now here we can cut 2 and 2 and after that here we have sin theta dot cos theta over cos theta dot cos theta. Again you can cut cos and cos, right? And then we have here sin theta over cos theta equals to tan theta, and that's our left hand side here, left hand side, and that's proved. Next identity we have sin 2 theta equals to 2 cot theta over cot square theta plus 1. So in this case we are going to choose right hand side because right hand side is a little bit complex as compared to the left hand side. So I'm going to choose here right hand side is right hand side, okay? Right hand side equals to 2 cot theta over cot square theta plus 1, right? Now 2 cot theta means 2 cos theta over sin theta, and here cot square means cos square theta over sin square theta, and that's plus 1, right? After that 2 cos theta over sin theta over, here is LCM is sin square theta, then you can write cos square theta plus 1 into sin square theta means sin square theta, isn't it? Now here 2 cos theta by sin theta, I am writing here 2 cos theta over sin theta into this sin square theta goes off, right? This sin square theta. So I can write here sin theta dot sin theta, isn't it? Because sin square theta means sin theta dot sin theta, and here cos square plus sin square. Have a look here, cos square plus sin square, isn't it? That's 1. Got it? Cos square plus sin square, sin square plus cos square, that's 1. Now we can cut sin and sin, right? So remaining we have here 2 cos theta dot sin theta equals to 2 cos theta dot sin theta, right? And 2 cos theta dot sin theta or 2 sin theta dot cos theta, same thing. We can write here sin 2 theta. That's equal to the left hand side, and we can write here proved. Next identity you have here 1 minus sin 2 theta over cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, right? So we can choose here right hand side, or we can choose left hand side also, doesn't matter, but the better will be right hand side. So right hand side equals to 1 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta, and tan theta means sin by cos, so we can write here 1 minus sin theta over cos theta. Here 1 plus sin theta over cos theta. Now take LCM. LCM is here cos theta. So we can write here cos theta minus sin theta, and at the denominator as well we can write here cos theta, and then we can write here cos theta plus sin theta. Now you see that cos theta and cos theta will cancel. Now remaining we have here, have a look, remaining we have here cos theta minus sin theta over cos theta plus sin theta, isn't it? Have a look here. Where is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is at the denominator. So if cos 2 theta is at the denominator, we multiply up and down, that's numerator and the denominator, by cos theta minus sin theta. Why? Because cos theta plus sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta, that gives us cos square minus sin square theta, that's cos 2 theta, isn't it? So not to forget that here. So we multiply here by cos theta minus sin theta over cos theta minus sin theta. Understood this? Because cos 2 theta is at the denominator, so we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the opposite sign of the denominator. So we have here cos theta minus sin theta, and cos theta minus sin theta means cos theta minus sin theta whole square. So we can write here cos square theta minus 2 cos theta dot sin theta and plus sin square theta, isn't it? That is a minus b whole square, and at the denominator a plus b and a minus b, that gives us a square minus b square. So we can write here cos square theta minus sin square theta. Next step, cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1, and minus 2 cos theta dot sin theta means sin 2 theta, and here that is cos 2 theta, and that's our left hand side. So we can write here that's equal to left hand side, and we can write here root, isn't it? Next identity we have here cos 2 theta over 1 plus sin 2 theta equals to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. In the previous video, such type of questions, in such type of questions, I took right hand side, I chose right hand side. So you can choose left hand side also, doesn't matter. So I'm just going to choose left hand side, right? But you can choose right hand side also. Sin by cos, you can go on solving, and then you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the opposite sign of the numerator, not to forget, because cos 2 theta you have at the numerator. So here choose left hand side. Left hand side we have cos 2 theta over 1 plus sin 2 theta, isn't it? Now cos 2 theta, another formula we are going to apply. So cos 2 theta we have here cos square theta minus sin square theta, not to forget that. And here 1 means cos square theta plus sin square theta, and plus 2 sin theta dot cos 2 theta, 2 sin theta dot cos theta, and after that we can write here a plus b, a minus b, isn't it? So we can write cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta, and here a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write a plus b and its whole square. After that we write here cos theta plus sin theta, and here cos theta minus sin theta, and over here cos theta plus sin theta whole square can be written as cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta, and we can cut one factor up and down, and the remaining we have here, have a look, remaining we have here cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So you have to bring tan, and tan means sin by cos, right? So we are going to divide up and down, that's numerator and the denominator, by cos theta, not to forget that. Okay, so we can write here cos theta minus sin theta over cos theta, and at the denominator as well we can write here cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta, isn't it? Next step we have here, just separate the base, so we can write cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, and at the denominator we have here cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Now we can cut cos and cos, and then we have here 1 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta. That's equal to right hand side, and that's proved. But I like to suggest you, better will be to choose right hand side and change tan into sin by cos and go on solving as I have done in the previous question. Next question of this part, we have cos theta over cos theta minus cos theta over cos theta plus sin theta equals to tan 2 theta. So we are going to choose the left hand side. So left hand side we have here, left hand side we have cos theta over cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta over cos theta plus sin theta. LCM. So LCM we have here cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta, right? And cos theta minus sin theta, that cancel, and we can write here cos theta times cos theta plus sin theta, and here minus cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Got it? After that, I'm just going to open the bracket. So cos theta into cos theta gives us cos square theta plus cos theta dot sin theta minus cos square theta and minus plus cos theta dot sin theta. And here at the denominator, a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. So we can write cos square theta minus sin square theta. Got it? Now cos square theta plus and cos square theta minus will be cancelled, and we have here cos theta dot sin theta plus cos theta dot sin theta. We can write 2 cos theta dot sin theta or 2 sin theta dot cos theta, same thing. And here cos square minus sin square theta means cos 2 theta, and 2 sin theta dot cos theta means sin 2 theta, and that is cos 2 theta, and equals to tan 2 theta, and that's equal to right hand side, and that is good. Thank you for watching this video. If you like such type of educational video, then not to forget to like and share the video, and not to forget to give your precious feedback in the comment box. In the next video, I am going to solve so many identities. So keep watching. Have a good luck.